Now, we must understand that there are three methods by which we can find out the price index. That is, the construction of price index is based on three methods, and those are the Lasperi method, and the formula for the Lasperi method is sigma pi upon QO, that is the quantity, upon EPO, that is sigma PO upon QO into 100. Next is the Pasch method. In the Paschen method, what we do is, the formula that is applied is sigma pi Q1 upon sigma PO, that is the base year, Q1 into 100. And the Fisher method, that is sigma pi QO sigma PO QO into sigma pi Q1 into upon sigma PO QI, and whichever method is being asked for the construction or finding out, what you have to do is, you have to apply either of the formula as asked. So, you must learn these three formulas, and whenever the construction has to be done, it will be on the basis of the Lasperi method, Paschen method or the Fisher method of the price index. Now, this was about the price index, but now we will find out about the cost of living index number. As far as the price index is concerned, it is the general indice. It talks about the general rise or fall in the prices. But in the cost of living index number, we shall be finding out significantly, importantly, or on the basis of how they have affected various segments of society.